You walk down Main Street like a summer parade. Swish of your dress like a candy striped serenade. Strawberry laughter dance, light in the air. Sunset reflected, red lines in your hair. A milkshake in one hand, the other waved hello. The jukebox through the doorway played soft and low. We shared a bench outside the neon arcade. That's where my heart learned the tune your smile made. Sugar spun breeze in July, warm as fireworks in the sky. Every glance was sweet and new, like bubblegum dreams coming true. My blue ribbon heartbeat races for you, like a 45 spinning in baby blue hue. Candy stripes serenade, ring soft and bright. A memory dancing in soda pop light. Blue ribbon heartbeat, steady and true. Every summer starts when I look at you. Candy stripes serenade plays through the night. Our love in a red and white. You traced tiny hearts on the glass with your ring, and time melted gently like an ice cream swing. We talked about secrets we never told, like diaries written in marigold. You tied a ribbon in my hair just for play. Said it matched my eyes like the ocean in May.